This is the second video of indefinite integrations, class 12. And now, in this video, have many questions. Solve it in definite integration. First question: let I equals to integration of root 10x over sin x into cos x. Students, this question is same. You have arises your minds sin x and cos x is nothing meaning without 10x. That means sin x cos x is converted 10x, then the question is solved easily. So I have this question, solve it 10x over sin x into cos x. So sin x is divided by cos x into cos x, and cos x also dx. Right, students? So I root 10x over sin x over cos x, 10x, and the cos x into cos x, cos square x, it goes to upper sec square x dx. So I equals to root 10x, that is written in the form of cos square x, but because many students can't we know that cos square x is written in the form of sec square x. So root 10x over root 10x whole square, because root 10x square equals to 10x, and the cos square goes to sec square x. Right, students? Sec square x dx. So root 10x and square cancel out. Now I equals to sec square x by root 10x dx. Yet y equals to 10x. So dy by dx, 10x is derivatives of sec square x. So dx equals to dy by sec square x. Right answer. So putting the value of I equals to sec square x over root y into dx is replacing dy over sec square x, and sec square x cancel out. I equals to dy over root y is the form of y to the power minus half dy. So I equals to integration y to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. So minus half, it goes to minus 2 and y to the power half plus c. Right? So I equals to minus 2, y is replacing by 10x, root 10x also written in the form of, because y to the power half, that means 10 to the power half, root 10x plus c. This is the final answer. Right, students? Next question. Let I equals to integration of dx over a square plus x square all to the power 3 by 2. Right, students? How to solve this question? So first of all, you have given result a square plus x square, then put x equals to a tan theta, and a square minus x square, then put x equals to a sin theta, either x equals to a cos theta according to question. Right, students? So a square plus x square, then the putting the value of x equals to a tan theta. Let x equals to a tan theta. Then dx over d theta equals to a tan theta equals to sec square theta. So dx equals to a sec square theta and d theta. Putting the value of this question, I equals to dx is a sec square theta d theta over a squared plus a squared tan square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Right, students? So simplify that a sec square theta over a square is common that a square whole to the power 3 by 2 into 1 plus tan square theta whole to the power 3 by 2 d theta. Right, students? So I equals to integration of a sec square theta d theta over 2 to cancel, that means a cube into 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. It gives a cancel out a square 1 by a square, right? 1 by a square sec square theta d theta over, it is also cancel out, so sec cube theta, that means sec cube theta. Right, students? So sec cube theta is cancel out sec theta and sec theta get of cos theta d theta, and cos theta is integration sin theta plus c. So I equals to, sorry, 1 by a square also, 1 by a square and sin theta, that means assume that tan theta is, so tan theta equals to x by a, so sin theta, it is the form of theta, this is the p and this is the b, this is the a square plus x square. So sin theta over p by h x by under root a square plus x square. So putting the value of sin theta equals to x by under root a square plus x square. This is the final answer. Right, students? All are known. If you have a problem, then comment to the box. Right. Okay, next question. Next question, students, let I equals to integration of under root 1 minus x over 1 plus x dt. Right, students? I know that 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Then you put x equals to cos theta. Right? In this also form, put x equals to cos theta. Because 1 minus cos theta to sin square theta over 2 and 1 plus cos theta, 2 theta is known that, so sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. Right, student? So let x equals to cos 2 theta and dx by d theta cos 2 theta equals to minus sin 2 theta and 2 theta equals to 2 derivatives. So dx equals to minus 2 sin 2 theta and d theta. Putting the value of I equals to integration of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta dx, and dx is replacing minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. Right, students? Because dx is, because in theta form, then the x is also term of d theta. I equals to 1 minus sine square 2 sine square theta by 2 cos square theta, right, into minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. Right, students? So 2 cancel out. I equals to sine theta by cos theta, tan theta. Right? Other than sine theta over cos theta. Right? And minus 2 is minus 2. So sine 2 theta is also written as 2 sine theta into cos theta d theta. Cos theta is cancel out. I equals to minus 2 sine square theta d theta. I am also written in the form 2 sine square theta, 2 sine square theta, right answer, right? 2 sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So minus 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So I equals to minus 2 and 1. That means d theta. I have written this d theta minus cos 2 theta d theta. So minus 2 d theta theta and minus cos 2 theta sin 2 theta over 2 plus c. Let the answer I equals to minus 2 and theta is value that. So let x equals to cos 2 theta. So theta equals to 2 theta equals to cos inverse x and theta equals to half cos inverse x. Right, students? Half cos inverse x under minus sin 2 theta. Cos theta equals to this and the sin theta equals to under root 1 minus cos square 2 theta by 2 plus c. So I equals to minus 2 1 by 2 cos inverse x minus, this is called under root 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to x. So cos x square by 2 plus c. This is the final answer, and also 2 is taken common. I equals to minus 2 multiply under root 1 minus x square minus cos inverse x plus c answer. Right answer? So students will be the right answer is I equals to under root 1 minus x square minus cos inverse x plus c. Student, this question is so important. Sin inverse square root of x minus cos inverse square root of x over sin inverse square root of x plus cos inverse square root of x. You know that, students, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. So this is the also root x also pi by 2. So I equals to 2 by pi sin inverse root x minus cos inverse root x dx. Right, students? So I have also solved it. Cos inverse root x power, this equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. So I equals to 2 by pi sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Right, friends? and dx. So I equals to 2 by pi integration of minus minus plus 2 sine inverse root x minus pi by 2 dx. Right, students? Let sine inverse root x integration. Let sine inverse root x dx. Let one is assume that sine applying integration by parts. First is and second is 1. So sine inverse root x into 1 into dx minus first is derivatives and second integration whole integration. So I equals to dx is x sine inverse x root x minus this is the x and over sine inverse root x is derivatives of sine inverse root x sine inverse 1 by under root 1 minus root x का square 1 by 2 root x. That means 1 by 2 root x into 1 minus x and dx. Right, friends? V by dx sine inverse x 1 by 2 root x into, right, students? So this is a cancel out. I equals to x sine inverse root x minus half x by 1 minus x is written root x into 1 minus root x whole square dx. Right, student? So let root x equals to, and this equation is solved by let root x equals to sin theta. Okay, theta equals to sine inverse root x. Right, students? And the dx by d theta क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों यहाँ पे रूट एक्स का क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 1 by 2 root x d theta dx by d theta is equal to sin theta derivatives cos theta. So dx equals to 2 root x cos theta and d theta. So I equals to, this is the final x sine inverse root x minus half, this is the x to sine square theta, dx is 2 root x and cos theta d theta over root x into 1 minus sine square theta d theta. So I equals to x sine inverse root x minus 1 by 2 2 cancel, ये रहा बच्चों माइनस ये root x also cancel 1 minus sin square theta cos theta and cos theta also cancel, that is sin square theta d theta. So I equals to x sine inverse root x, this is the 2 multiplied 2 sin square theta d theta. It is the also written in the form of 2 sin square theta. I is not placed, so I equals to x sine inverse root x minus 1 by 2. This is the integration of 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So x sine inverse root x minus half 1 theta minus minus plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta sine 2 theta over 2 plus c. So I equals to x sine inverse root x sine inverse root x minus 1 by 2 into theta. Theta is here. Theta is, let assume the this now theta equals to, so theta equals to sine inverse root x, so theta equals to minus half sine inverse root x and plus 1 by 2 1 by 4 1 by 2 into 2 sine 2 theta equals to sine 2 theta equals to, because sine theta equals to this, sin थीटा इक्वल्स टू रूट एक्स, तो sin थीटा बराबर क्या हो जाएगा, 2 थीटा बराबर 2 sin थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा, राइट आंसर. सो sin थीटा इक्वल्स हो जाएगा यहाँ पे रूट एक्स इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स प्लस सी. दिस इज द put the value of, and the other method, this is the so very I am saying that let x equals to sin square theta, right? Then the I equals to 2 by pi 2 let 4 by pi sin inverse root x, that means sin theta, and the derivatives of dx by d theta 2 sin theta into cos theta, right answer. So this is the over dx barabar 2 sin theta 2 sin inverse. This is the value of, he is putting the answer is right, but this is the another method is also solve it here any problem, because this value is first of all substitute, then the other method is applied. An example, I equals to 2 by pi into 2 sin inverse x. Now 2 is the 4 sin inverse root x is, solve it here, is the right answer. X sin inverse root x minus half sin inverse x sin inverse root x plus 1 by 4 root x into under root 1 minus x minus, this is also pi by 2 and dx equals to x plus c, right answer. So 2 by pi is multiple of here, so 2 by pi into 2 by pi plus c, 2 by pi by 2 and c. I equals to 4 by pi x sin inverse root x minus this, taking the root x, sin root x, nothing problem. So 1 by 2 sin inverse root x plus 1 by 4 by pi is also multiple, right? 4 by pi is also multiple. 4x by pi sin inverse root x minus 4 by pi 2 by pi sin inverse root x plus 4 by pi 1 by pi root x into 1 minus x plus c. This is the final answer, right? This is the final answer. And the second method also is solve it. Now this is the formula. Let this is the only solve it. First of all, I equals to 4 by pi sin inverse root x dx minus pi by 2 2 by pi dx. So answer equals to 4 by pi sin inverse root x dx minus dx equals to x plus c. This is the I1. I1 solve it here. I1 equals to sine inverse root x. Let x equals to sine square theta and sine theta equals to root x and theta equals to sine inverse root x. Also solve it dx by d theta sine square theta 2 sine theta into cos theta and d theta goes to 1 and the dx equals to 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Putting the value of I1 equals to sine inverse and sine square under root sine square. This is the sine inverse under root sine square theta into dx. Dx is written 2 sine theta and cos theta d theta. Right? So I1 equals to sine inverse sine is cancelled out theta and 2 theta and sine theta into cos theta sine 2 theta. Also written theta into sine 2 theta d theta. Also I let form I L A T E. T the last algebraic is first. So I1 equals to theta sine 2 theta d theta minus d by d theta theta into integration of sine 2 theta d theta whole integration of d theta. Right answer. So I equals 1 equals to theta sine 2 theta is derivatives integrated minus cos 2 theta by 2. Right, minus d theta is derivatives 1. This is the minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Minus minus plus. So I1 equals to minus theta cos 2 theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta का इंटीग्रेशन sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. अब यहाँ पर जब बच्चों sin स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर x है तो हमें cos 2 थीटा और sin थीटा का वैल्यू निकालना है. Right students? So sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा बच्चों, यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे sin स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर ये है. We know that minus 2 मतलब sin स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर क्या होता है बच्चों, यहाँ पे छोड़ो, यहाँ समझ लेते हैं. sin स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर होता है sin स्क्वायर थीटा बराबर 1 प्लस 1 माइनस cos 2 थीटा बाय 2. राइट. सो यहाँ पर जो sin थीटा बराबर x है मेरा बच्चों, क्या है यहाँ पे x है. दिस इक्वल्स टू x तो 1 माइनस cos 2 थीटा इक्वल्स टू क्या आ जाएगी 2x 1 माइनस 2x मेरा बच्चों. तो cos 2 थीटा बराबर जहाँ पर ये है इसके जब हम क्या रख देंगे बच्चों, I इक्वल्स टू 4 बाय पाई साइन वर्स एक्स का माइनस थीटा क्या होता है बच्चों, ये साइन वर्स रूट एक्स. राइट. और जो है यहाँ पर ये cos 2 थीटा क्या होता है 1 माइनस 2x. ठीक है. फिर जो है यहाँ पे प्लस हाफ साइन 2 थीटा का बच्चों हम जानते हैं अंडर रूट इसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे, अंडर रूट 1 माइनस 2x का होल स्क्वायर बाय 2 प्लस सी. सी जो पर ये भी है बच्चों भी माइनस एक्स प्लस सी. इसको सोल्व कर देते हैं. ये आपका क्या हो गया आई इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4 बाय पाई साइन इनवर्स रूट एक्स 1 माइनस 2x प्लस 1 बाई 2. इसको सोल्व कर देंगे बच्चों. ठीक है, क्या हो जाएगा आपका और 1 माइनस 2x स्क्वायर तो ये हो जाएगा 4x माइनस 4x स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस x प्लस सी इंटू 4 बाई पाई 4 बाई पाई. solve it 2. This is the final answer. I equals to minus 4 by pi sin inverse root x into 1 minus 2x plus 2 अंडर रूट 2 से 2 ऑल्सो कैंसिल आउट बच्चों, ये हो जाएगा आपका ये क्यों आई इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4 बाय पाई साइन इनवर्स रूट एक्स 1 माइनस 2x, राइट, 1 माइनस 2x प्लस 4 से कॉमन 2 ले लेते हैं तो x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस सी. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. इसको हम अलग मेथड से बनाएंगे, ये आंसर आ जाएगा. राइट बच्चों, यदि आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आए बच्चों, इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और इसे अपने फ्रेंड में भी इसको शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू बच्चों.